Hi, my name's Amanda Goss. I'm the programme lead for the MSc in Fashion Management here at Lincoln University. I have over 20 years experience before coming into academia. I've worked with some big name brands. One was probably the most successful brand in the UK, which is Superdry. We have these quite unique kind of programmes, specialist. I think the fashion management here is quite specialist. So it's basically been developed to get students to learn all levels of fashion management through from supply chain management, the design process, trends forecasting, to buying and retail merchandising basically. So encompassing the whole thing with the objective, I suppose, at the end of the day, either going into being a buyer or a merchandiser or even to having your own brand. We basically have around about 3 different study trips. We end up going to like an exhibition, so the V&A, to look at the moment we've looked at like K-pop and Africa fashion. So looking at trends, visiting the high street. We've also visited in the past Christopher Rayburn, and we do a 2-hour talk and they make a t-shirt at the end of that. So they see the practical side as well as the business side as well. The programme is embedded throughout with sustainability. I suppose my research area is circular economy and sustainability. Fashion is always about the future. You know, we work 2 years ahead. And sometimes in academia, we can sometimes look at, okay, we look at the theories, we look at everything behind that. However, we've got to look forward, you know, and use technology, you know, what's happening in industry. So students are really armed to that when they come out into industry. They're in small cohorts, so sometimes there's 15, no more than 25, or we break those down as well, that they get to have more engagement with the lecturers. I get to know them personally, so we can develop their skills along. So they get that personal kind of touch, which the big universities, I don't think, are able to give to the students. The feedback has been really good, and I think the results show when students come out of here, they get a really good qualification and they get a job, and they feel that they're part of a university.